menu for today is Escabetche.
Delicious escabetche is now ready. These are the ingredients of our escabetche that we are going to cook today. We're gonna put salt in this fish before we fry it. After we fry this fish, we are going to prepare our ingredients for our escabeche. We have onion, carrots, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, tomato, red sweet pepper, garlic, and ginger. And these are all the ingredients for our escabeche. We can mix our sauce, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of vinegar in the bowl. We can mix it together. All the ingredients will be in this bowl, and these three ingredients we can add a 1/2 cup of water, and we're gonna put and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to have a little thickness to our sauce. Let's start cooking. First, we're gonna put our garlic. Give it a stir a little bit. We're gonna put our onion. And we're gonna add our ginger. Tomato. And a red sweet pepper. This is sweet pepper, it's not spicy one. Carrot. And let's put all our bell pepper in one time. Let's give a little stir here. This is very colorful and it looks so beautiful. We're gonna add a bouillon powder.
I hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Again, this is Shirley. Thank you for watching. Bye.